Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, we'd like to talk about ICP with my customer said what's going on just locally, because the global targets I a million times already showed you. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Based on the weekly time frame, what do we got here? This is just a one boring range. So technically, we are here in this range. Some consolidation since end of March. So this is just a consolidation. So the range now is 418. And 637. To talk about uptrend move, global uptrend move, reversal move to the next steps, what a market is 15, 57, 20, 96. At least I think we have to pump to fulfill of this weekly gap like $8.81. So it should be, like impulsive move, like this move, some tiny pullback and go higher. So this is a main case what I wish to see basically for ICP, but I'm not in position. I add my alerts for the ICP 475. I miss it, just to be honest. I added tracked the ICP and the Gleamer. You remember these two tokens? I track it and I just wait few cents lower, and I remove my limit order at around 490. We dump it to 480, and I waited 476, and we bounce it. But it's about a speculation, guys. I totally don't care about ICP for long run, for some global main targets, main portfolio, my format, I wait my targets for my altcoins, all portfolio are dynamic, because some alts I will out at a break even, some I will fix early, some I will fix later. That's why it makes sense to share the current tokens list. That's why instead of ICP, yesterday I bought the CODI. So you have to understand, I'm not a fan of any token. I just mark the entry for ICP, and if the token dropped to that entry, I'm buying this token for speculation, because at the end I need the money. So I totally don't care if I will make money with the ICP or with the CODI at the end, or I will lose the money with the ICP or with the CODI. Let's be honest, guys. So to make a uptrend move, we have to break this range out of the range with retest or without retest and go straight forward to the fulfill of weekly gap. After that, with retest or without retest, we have to break this high. So locally, guys, now it's 630 and 872. It's the first area what we can see. For example, it can be by end of August, beginning of September, and go higher. I hope not, of course, for everyone who wait the uptrend move. Of course, I wish not to see the drop on ICP, because if I miss some position, it's okay, but imagine, I totally understand, if the ICP will drop to 476, it means that the other tokens also will dump. That's why, of course, I wish for everyone, so we go unstoppable up. But we have to be ready for any case scenario. So weekly time frame, guys, still in the downtrend, local one, since March 24. So anyway, I don't think so we're going to drop to the lowest point at the sweep the low of September 23. No makes sense. Absolutely no makes sense. So we got a more direction up. Now it's this liquidity pool, and higher targets, what I showed you before. So locally, we're in this range. Weekly time frame, this is total disbelief, and capitulation. So no A3 or nothing. Just in a tiny range, guys, on weekly. Daily, same story. So you can see it's just a basic range. What I don't like, I don't like we didn't grab this low. But of course, it's not necessary. So we have to dump and grab all low, right? So we just got two targets. This one and this one. Nothing special now, guys, happening for ICP, because people react so emotionally when we bounce it. Wow, we skyrocket to the moon. Guys, let's chill out. So tomorrow we'll see the Putin and Trump meeting. So based it on and depends what's this two guy talk about, and what they decided. We'll see the market reaction like this one or like this one. Grab liquidity, and we'll be ready to fill my bags. If I fill my bags, something happened. I'll fill my bags here, and if we drop lower, what will I do? Nothing. I will do nothing. I just talk about a spot position, and I'm not a fan of DCA strategies, guys. So that's the point. The best entry, personally, for me, it's a drop again to 476. I don't think so. We will drop again. So let's be honest. Let's be honest. BTC can see some pullback. Alts, I hope perform again. But yesterday, if you track the Jim Cramer post, he bullish. So basically, it can be the bearish one signal now. This is a local area now on ICP, but of course it's just here disbelief, pump, area, drop, but still in the uptrend structure. So it can be just we can start build this triangle by end of August, which is maybe waste the time. We'll see. But now it's just locally free and nothing craziness on a weekly time frame, guys. 12 time frame also disbelief pump. So it's more like for speculation, guys. For example, 24% up. It's not a madness. It's not a wow end of the cycle for ICP. Of course not. Of course not, guys. Take a look at the ADZ direction. Here was a signals too on the daily time frame. Sell in June 23. This one 22, 23. Drop. Now nothing. We at the same level, almost the same level. No signal to sell or so. Still in the middle zone, so it's not a crazy distribution. That's why, guys, globally, yes, of course, I wish to see the BTC dominance once again to 57, maybe 58%, and outperform. But if you're speculating, local speculation, just be ready to take some profit step by step, or at least add your stop loss at the break even. So now locally nothing, no distribution, no accumulation, just in the middle. 12 time frame also no crazy distribution, no crazy signals to sell. Take a look, guys, at the indicator now. Money power. Here, money inflow on a 12 daily time frame was here at the beginning of August. This is what I miss it. Even with that signal, I miss it. I waited just few cents lower, just 5. Yeah, so 10 cents. Yes, I was so greedy, right? So greedy and waited lower, right? That's why I missed the entry, even on the spot. Now, no exit, no exit, no money fixation, nothing. That's why I want to see the continuation like this one, maybe even to this top, and after that the correction. And here will be the money outflow on the daily. And 4 out of that range, retest 630 like support, and in the middle of September go higher. October, November, I think we will see the really green one for altcoins. So just in case, weekly time frame, no money outflow, nothing. The main money inflow been here at comfortable price like 655. Nice one, 655 and 760. So I guess the whales will pump the price definitely to the $15, in the middle term target in the next few months, right? And if you accumulate it, for example, at the $5, at 15, definitely you can fix some profit. Here's a daily trade on sell, drop, buy back, no main signal to buy. That's why I wish to see, of course, the take profit signal from that sell, take profit, buy, and reversal move. But it's just my wishes, so be careful. If you want to open, a long with retest, I don't think so is a good idea. Or open long now, for example, with a stop loss. I don't know where you're going to put stop loss. It's kind of weird to add a stop loss 90%, so 20% was second leverage. No makes sense to open position now, guys. Let's be real. Or if you want to buy on a spot, of course, you can buy now, and after that, buy at 477. Your entry will be like 520, for example. Makes sense. Take profit here. Daily, which is in the middle. So we didn't test the buy line. I don't think so. We're going to drop to the test of the buy line 355 now on a daily. I don't think so. More likely, we go and test the take profit 705. Exit line, it's 796. We're just in the middle. At 12 time frame, the same story. So the buy line on 12 time frame, it's 361. Exit take profit 716. Exit line 808. We didn't test the buy line. That's why I wish to see the test. But of course, the main target is a weekly one. So weekly, we reject at a buy line, so for spot, I think this consolidation, it's absolutely a perfect time for accumulation. Perfect time for accumulation with a target like 12.08, exit line at 13.61, and break the middle term target high. After that, break this high and straight forward to 37. So just in case, guys, all targets I showed you locally, I miss my entry. If we will drop again, guys, in September, so this consolidation will be extended, like in time, because we are a first test. This one, the buy line was in February, and we basically in this range like 161 days. So if we will drop again in September, for me it will be much more better entry, and the best confirmation if the October one will be green, this is going to be the perfect entry. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about ICP. If you would like to trade with my customer Chris, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.